Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove all borders from a table in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to remove all borders from a table. Go to a table. Now we can see here some text and tables. Now we want to remove the borders from all table. Firstly click inside the table, then click and drag on our mouse to select the around border, then press shift on our keyboard, select the column border and select the row border, then enable the wide option, and we can see here the wide is 5 pt, 0.5 pt, then we decrease it and click outside of the table. Now we can see we remove the table border very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.